Hello, partner. If you are watching this video, it means you are on the right track to building a passive income system in the tourism industry with the Rentaholiday. In this video, I want to show you how to create your first affiliate link to post on your social media and web resources. So, let's get started. In your personal partner account, go to the Tools section, which is designed to help you quickly create any sales channel that suits you, whether it's a search widget for booking hotels or car rentals, or an affiliate link with your unique code. Let's take a look at how to create your first affiliate link. To do this, click on the URL tab in the Tools section. In this tab, you will see the following elements. URL source. This field is used to specify the link to the page you want to direct your audience to. Link name. Here we will give the link a unique name so that you can track click and sales statistics in your personal account. Generate URL button. We will click it when we enter all the initial data to get our affiliate link. Copy URL button. To copy the received affiliate link to the clipboard and then place it on any internet resource. Now let's try to create our first link, post it on any social media feed on the internet, such as Facebook, and check if everything works correctly. The first thing we need to do is go to the Tools section. Click on URL. In the source URL field, select the page we need. To do this, simply go to the Rentaholiday website and select what we need. Let's say your informational post is about tourism in Malaga and you want to recommend unique car rental offers at Malaga Airport and other available pickup offices in the city. To do this, go to the Car Rental in Spain page on the Rentaholiday website, select the section you need, copy its source URL and paste it into the appropriate field, original URL. Now let's give our link a name. This is necessary so that we can collect statistics on clicks and sales, analyze them, and compare which of our links are most effective and which need improvement. Let's call our first link, My First Test Link. Please note that the link name should not contain any special characters or spaces, only letters and numbers. So, we've come up with a name. Now we just need to click the Generate URL button, after which you will see that the field with your affiliate link has been generated and the link is ready to be copied. Click Copy Link. Now all that's left is to post it on your social network and start collecting statistics and sales. Let's place the link we received in one of the thematic posts on Facebook dedicated to the same topic. In our case, it is car rental in Malaga. We insert the link we received into the post and publish it. Please note that social networks and other platforms may modify your link, but our system is designed so that clicks and sales will still be counted. Let's test it out. Click on our post on the Facebook page. The link will take us to the page you wanted to direct the user to. Now let's log into our affiliate account and see how the system has started collecting statistics. Click the refresh button, and if you see the link name we assigned in the statistics table, then you've done everything right. Congratulations, your first sales channel has been created. All that remains is to create as many other channels as possible and promote them on your social networks. This will attract more traffic and sales, thereby increasing your passive income.